Our relevance comes in more from the point of view of how investors perceive us to be. I think the fact that we have a rating from S&P which is stable should give comfort to investors quite a lot.
I think we ourselves have moved on to Australia and Japan as well, because in view of the Jackie's potential expansion, so that's something that a lot of people have been exploring.
We believe that the Fed is done, right? Just to address the elephant in the room. We believe that the risk of a US recession next year is real.
And if you are looking at some of the commercial bank results, you're seeing quite lackluster loan growth, and this is all driven by the fact that clients are essentially running down some of the cash balances to fund some of these requirements.
I think today the way at least the respective industries are and the opportunities that they're offering, bulk of all of our operating companies will continue to be India focused.
One of the biggest contributor to the GDP, directly, indirectly, China property has not done well. And that's a conscious decision by the government, but really it's not done well, right? There is a very big element of deleveraging, de-risking the China economy, which the government is doing.
So we have some observations. The first observation, we see that the China government is want to segregate the implicit and explicit debt.
I have a slightly different take on China's macroeconomic situation these days. We just very recently had our third quarter data came out. The economy is doing okay.
When we look at China, there's very different risk bucket. I mean, to your question regarding to risk premium, someone asked me the other days on, when is the time to basically bottom up buying China. If you look at some of the investment grade, right, for example, in single A space, literally the spread right now is about 80 over Treasury.
Well, India is a unique market, right? In terms of the central bank, the Reserve Bank of India has a directive in terms of cross-border issuances not to be raised at a certain basis point, for 50 to 50 basis points from the benchmark rate.